Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Copy Corner with Terry and Dan, or Dan and Terry. I feel like I'm going to do this every time. I don't want to hurt your feelings, Dan. But today we have an awesome tip because we are heading into 2020, the holiday season. So we're going to talk about how to get paid in 2020 for your services. Right, Dan? Make some money.
Right. How to better sell those services in 2020.
How to better sell your services and make some money along the way in 2020. And I want to start, Dan, here with talking about strategies that you can use to get clear on your message about what services that you sell so you're attracting the right clients. So I have two tips here. The first one is to simply search other, freelancers or people who have the same skill set. So search other copywriters, website designers, developers. Find those people and see how they market their message. What services are they selling specifically that you feel that you can do as well? Don't get worried about imposter syndrome here. There's a lot of people out here doing everything that we do. Dan and I are copywriters. We're not competing here. He has different clients. I have different clients. Some only see me. Some only see him. Some will only see you. That's the important thing to remember. So find out what other people are doing. Take that message, craft it, and put your unique twist on it. Right? Anything else to add from that tip, Dan?
No, I like what you said about, I feel like a lot of copywriters are all worried about stealing each other's business. And it's just like, I think having strategic partnerships with other writers is way more beneficial. That's never been an issue that I've experienced,
Same. And if you engage with these people, connect with them on LinkedIn and Instagram, even ask them questions for advice. They will be more than willing to help you. I know if somebody did that to me or to Dan, I know that we'd reach out to them and lead them in the right direction. So that's tip number one. Tip number two is go on LinkedIn, look on Upwork, look on Indeed or other job search sites. What are people searching for with copywriters or, digital marketing strategists or graphic designers? What are they specifically saying of what they're looking for, what problems they need solved? Then take that language and use that in your copy about how you can sell your services. Because you can be more specific and then you can attract the right clients. I don't hear a lot of people doing this, or maybe they do, but it's just not out there. But again, I think it can be very valuable by searching job descriptions to see how you can sell your services because hey, I can do this. This adds up. Let me put this on my website and attract those ideal customers. And so then that's kind of how you can get clear on your message. Now, Dan, what do you want to share about how to distribute this and how to make sure the right people are seeing it?
Yes, I think once you're clear and you've really dialed in your target market and what you do for them, get on LinkedIn, man. If you're not selling on LinkedIn and building connections and making relationships in 2020, you're going to get left behind. That's my opinion. At least, if you're in B2B sales, which if you're watching this, you probably are. That's my advice is get on LinkedIn, get a Sales Navigator account, track down your target customer, connect with them, build a relationship, tell them what you do, how you can help them so that when they need you, they'll know where to go. And then, post content and nurture them and stay on their mind so that when they need a copywriter, boom, they're messaging Dan or Terry on LinkedIn and that's the end of it. So I just think it's way too easy to build relationships and valuable connections on LinkedIn to not be spending your time doing it.
Yeah, a lot of head nodding on my end here because I completely agree with you, Dan. It's just consistent content. Get active on LinkedIn and all the social media accounts so people can see you. You'll have people reach out to you that you didn't even know were watching, compliment you. People are more aware the more that you put out there. So that's something big that I've learned in 2019. It's how I got connected with Dan, seeing a lot of his consistent content. So you can do the same. Again, avoid imposter syndrome, get out there and sell your services, get clear on what you do, who you can help, and make sure that you're distributing it across your channels so you can get noticed and get paid in 2020 and beyond.
Absolutely. And with that, obviously, don't be out there spamming the crap out of everybody and, hard selling the first person you see everywhere on LinkedIn. Obviously, don't do that. But,
Yeah. Be genuine and everything will work out. Trust us. That's the Copy Corner approval right there.
Right. I read I read some stat the other day. It was something like 98% of businesses don't need what you sell when you're offering it. So just get on their radar so that when the time is right, you're there.
Yeah. Love it. Love it. Well, guys, that's our tip for today. We got one more before we close out 2019. Really excited for everything moving forward. Really happy that everybody who's tuned in so far as we started the Copy Corner series. But again, want to help you better sell your services in 2020. We'll keep dropping some tips. Keep loving what you do. Proceed with passion. And anything else, Dan, before we let everybody go?
In the comments, let's hear big business goals for you guys in 2020. What are you focusing on? That's my final thought. Anything from you, Terry?
No, man, I love it. I'll just completely piggyback and just agree with what you said, everybody. Let us know. We'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.